Hello everyone. In this training series, we will develop a modern blog application with the help of Cursor AI. First, we will create the user interface using Angular. Then we will develop the API that will run in the background of our blog application using .NET technologies. Before starting the training, we will go over a roadmap where we have planned the entire process step by step. Thanks to this roadmap, we will clearly see which technology we will use at each stage and how we will progress with our project. At every step, we will take advantage of Cursor AI's code generation power to build a modern and professional blog site. By the end of the training, you will have learned how to develop a robust interface with Angular and how to create a solid backend with .NET. If you're ready, let's review our roadmap and embark on this journey together. At the very beginning of our roadmap, we will build a website using Cursor AI. While working on the design side and coding the design, we will specifically be using Angular technology. We will implement step by step the components that should be present in a blog site. We will design a navbar that allows users to easily navigate the site, containing the main links for the top menu bar, homepage, categories, search, and similar menus. Again, there is a section on the side of the page that typically offers categories, popular posts, and additional menu options. We will be designing this section. We will have blog cards. These are cards that list blog posts in summary form. Each card contains information such as the title, summary, author, date, and an image. We will also include the details of these cards. We will also build a comment section where users can comment on blog posts and view their comments. We will also create a search bar where users can search among blog posts using keywords. We will design a form that allows users to log into the site or create a new account. We will also design a user profile where users can view and edit their own information. We will also design forms that allow users to create blog posts and edit their own posts. Finally, we will design the footer section, which is usually located at the bottom of the page and typically contains contact information, social media links, and copyright details. And with that, we will complete the design phase. If we need any other components during the application development process, we will also build those components as needed. Now let's move on to our next phase. Our next phase will be database design. Here we will decide which data will be stored for the project and how this data will be organized. We will also determine here which tables will be created. We will choose the most suitable database system for the project's needs at this stage. This choice is usually made based on criteria such as performance, scalability, and ease of development. For our development, we will be using SQL Server. Again, we will define the relationships between tables and the unique fields for each table here. After we finish our database operations, in the next step, we will write the API. We will create a web API project using .NET technologies. This layer forms the backend of the application and manages data exchange. We will define the core data models such as blog posts, users, and comments. These models again form the basis of the tables in the database and the API. API endpoints that perform create, read, update, and delete operations will be created here. The API is configured to connect to the database and perform data-related operations. The API is prepared so that the front-end application can fetch and send data, and the necessary tests are conducted. Yes, in this lesson, we have reviewed the overall roadmap of our project and the technologies we will use together. Now, we know which steps and tools we will use to develop our blog application. In the next lesson, we will start developing our application and focus on creating the user interface as the first step. We will start designing a modern and functional blog interface by harnessing the power of Cursor AI and Angular. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.